for the body. I'll have to just find out the pieces as per this. Now for the other side of the drawer, you will have to use the 3 sliders for the side. This is the top portion of the plank, so make sure the opening for the slider is facing up. The intention here is the drawer to roll over this, so you need to place in the drawer's wheel over here, so it goes within this gap. Again, time for the ruler. Now you need to fix the slider for the keyboard. The black one is the slider for the keyboard. If you pull it to the experiment, you would see a lever over here. Just pull it back and the whole thing comes off. Okay, this here would be facing the person sitting, so you need to make sure that the slider is oriented in the right direction. So the table should go out like this and come in, not the other way around. So this here is done. I'm gonna fix it. Afterwards, place the one with the lock. Okay, I found the pieces for the next section as per the manual. Okay, now the piece. Okay, done. Sorry, one more flip slider. The black one again. This here is a friend, so unlock it and now fixing the last pieces. I have this one which goes in like this. Two more pieces. Fixed.